Hey guys, we just installed our Ring doorbell a couple weeks ago, and I want to give my full review now, 2 weeks in to having a Ring doorbell. I'm going to tell you three things I think you should know, and then ultimately whether or not I think it is a good purchase. So, everybody knows the Ring doorbell. It's a camera sold by Amazon, so it is one of the best sellers on Amazon, but it is not only just one of the best sellers on Amazon, it is one of the best home security systems that you can have. So, aside from the app that can do everything, here we just want to show the device. So first things first, install, extremely easy, which is a big thing for me. Not the most handy guy, don't like to spend a lot of time doing handy work. So install, very, very easy. You can see here we have the wood, so very easy to install with that, but I've seen even with brick and mortar and other different materials, it is very easy to do. The second thing is you get the classic ring chime when you do it just like that, which is really great. I like the little doorbell ring. You obviously get a notification on your phone. I just got it here that somebody is at your door. It starts recording right away. You can talk to them through the recording, which is really, really great. There was one time somebody was dropping off food for us. We didn't know what time they were coming. We had to go run some errands. They came. We didn't want to be rude, so we were able to talk to them and say, oh my gosh, thank you for dropping this off. So that was a really nice thing. And then the third thing is that it is just seamless. It works on your phone. You have different devices that are able to connect to it, such as Alexa, Ring Chime, things like that. It is extremely intuitive, very easy to use. Would highly recommend for anybody who's looking to not only keep your packages, your house, everything safe, but also just a little bit of convenience and a little bit of innovation in your household and in your life.